Look up at the stars. They seem static, eternal. But our solar system is hurtling through a chaotic and dangerous galaxy at breakneck speeds. We are at the mercy of cosmic currents. What happens if we're on a collision course with a rogue black hole or a supernova? To survive the deep future, humanity cannot just build underground bunkers or generation ships. We must learn to pilot our entire solar system. Welcome to CHRONOS VECTOR. Today, we engineer the ultimate megastructure. We are building the theoretical marvel known as the Caplan Thruster. Proposed by astrophysicist Matthew Caplan, this isn't a spaceship for humans. It's a stellar engine designed to physically move the sun itself. Moving a star sounds impossible, but stars naturally lose mass and emit massive energy. The Caplan Thruster harnesses this raw power for propulsion. Before Caplan, scientists proposed the CHRONOS Thruster, a giant curved mirror reflecting solar radiation to slowly push the star through space. But the CHRONOS Thruster is too slow, and it risks freezing the Earth by blocking our vital sunlight. We need something faster. Enter the Caplan Thruster. It sits safely above the sun, using immense electromagnetic fields to actively gather solar wind and fuel itself. Imagine a massive space station, thousands of kilometers wide, suspended millions of miles above the searing, violent surface of our local star. It doesn't rely on mirrors. Instead, it is powered by a Dyson Swarm, millions of solar collectors orbiting the sun to provide infinite energy. This energy is beamed directly to the thruster, powering gigantic electromagnetic funnels that reach deep down into the scorching solar corona. These magnetic fields act like a colossal vacuum, tearing millions of tons of superheated hydrogen and helium directly from the sun's surface. This solar matter is pulled upward into the belly of the beast, acting as the limitless raw fuel for the largest engine ever conceived. Inside the thruster, the fuel is magnetically separated. The heavier helium is channeled into a monstrous, ultra-pressurized thermonuclear fusion reactor. Here, temperatures exceed 1 billion degrees. The helium fuses into carbon and oxygen, releasing truly unimaginable amounts of cosmic energy. This colossal burst of energy is expelled outward into the deep cosmos as an incredibly fast, glowing jet of radioactive exhaust. This exhaust is the primary propulsion. It acts like a rocket, pushing the massive Caplan Thruster forward against the void of interstellar space. But wait, if the engine pushes itself forward, how does it move the sun? The genius answer lies in the second jet. The leftover hydrogen we collected is accelerated and fired out of the front of the engine, shooting directly back at the sun. This forward beam of pure plasma does two crucial things. First, it completely prevents the massive engine from falling into the star. It perfectly balances the backward thrust, keeping the immense Caplan Thruster hovering safely at a precise, mathematically calculated distance. Second, this immense beam pushes physically against the sun's magnetic fields, transferring massive momentum directly to the entire star. We are literally pushing the sun, and as the massive sun moves, its inescapable gravitational pull drags all the planets along with it. Earth, Mars, Jupiter, our entire cosmic neighborhood remains safely tethered to the sun, sailing through the galaxy as one unified fleet. The timescale is terrifying. To move the sun just 50 light years, the stellar engine must burn continuously for over 1 million years. But in cosmic terms, this is blindingly fast. It is more than enough speed to steer our system away from a deadly supernova. Or, it could allow humanity to rewrite our galactic address, actively seeking out new, resource-rich star clusters across the Milky Way. Imagine humanity not just as fragile inhabitants of a single rock, but as the supreme, immortal navigators of a galactic dreadnought. Operating this engine would require intelligence far beyond human capacity. Advanced AI minds would silently govern the complex fusion cycles, These supercomputers would calculate the optimal, safest trajectory through the Milky Way, smoothly dodging asteroid fields and deadly radiation zones. Our night sky would change over millennia. Familiar, ancient constellations would morph and distort as we warp dynamically through the Orion Arm. The Caplan Thruster is more than a mere survival mechanism. It is the ultimate tool for cosmic expansion and absolute mastery. By exploring the Milky Way, we ensure that the light of human consciousness is never extinguished by random, chaotic galactic events. What seems like impossible science fiction today is simply the ultimate engineering challenge of tomorrow. The math works. The physics are sound. The only missing ingredient is time, and the relentless, unstoppable evolution of human ambition and artificial intelligence. As we gaze into the deep future, we must dare to think bigger. We are not fragile passengers in this universe. We are the pilots. The Caplan Thruster stands as a glorious testament to what a Type 2 civilization on the Kardashev scale can truly achieve. A civilization that commands the infinite power of its host star, molding the very fabric of the cosmos to its own will. From the icy rings of Saturn to the scorching surface of the Sun, our entire system becomes a single, majestic traveling vessel. Where would we steer our solar system first? Perhaps towards the bright galactic core, where stars are dense and resources are infinite. Or perhaps we steer outward, towards the dark intergalactic void, seeking profound answers beyond the very edge of the Milky Way galaxy. The timeline of tomorrow is being boldly written today. Every scientific breakthrough brings us one step closer to engineering this megastructure. We are CHRONOS VECTOR. We visualize the seemingly impossible, rendering the deep future in the highest, most breathtaking fidelity imaginable. If you want to join our visionary expedition into the unknown, hit that subscribe button and become a part of the future. In our next episode, we dive deep into the chilling mysteries of quantum immortality. Are you prepared to question your own reality? Until then, keep looking up at the stars, keep asking bold questions, and remember that our grand cosmic journey has only just begun. The future is out there, waiting for us. See it before it arrives. CHRONOS VECTOR, signing off from the edge of tomorrow.